How to hide apps on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go to your home screen and then tap hold on the application that you want to hide. You will then see the option for require Face ID. So tap on the require Face ID option you see there, and here you can then go ahead and select the hide and require Face ID option, and you will be required to enter your Face ID to complete the process. So tap on the hide app option at the bottom and then enter your Face ID, and with this, as you can see, Telegram is hidden. Now, if you tap on the search bar and search for Telegram, then you will not see the option for Telegram anywhere since the app has been hidden completely. So now, in order to view the hidden app, go to your app library at the last page of your home screen and then scroll down to the bottom. Here, you will see the hidden tab, so tap on it and you will be required to enter your Face ID or passcode in order to unlock the hidden apps. So enter that, and once entered, you will be able to view all the apps that you have hidden. You can then simply tap hold on the screen or the app that you want to unhide and then tap on the add to home screen option, or tap on the don't require Face ID option, and with this the app will be unhidden. So tap on the unhide app option you see there, and as you can see, the app has been unhidden. So this was about how you can hide or unhide apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.